Assalamualaikum. My name is Momina Rao, and now my topic is nativism. Nativism is the belief that native peoples and cultures should be given more importance. It focuses on local traditions, language, customs, and identity. It rejects blind copying of foreign or Western ideas. In simple meanings, valuing your own cultures and roots. Emergence of nativism. Nativism developed mainly in 19th and 20th century. It became stronger during the colonial and post-colonial period. Peoples feared losing their identity and traditions. It emerged as a reaction against colonial domination. Why did nativism emerge? People felt their cultures was disappearing. European influence becomes very powerful. Writers wanted to protect native traditions. It promoted cultural freedom and self-respect. Key concept of nativism. Local culture focus on traditions and customs. Language importance promotion of native language. Identity emphasis emphasize on culture and national identity. Resistance opposition to foreign influence. Tradition over modernity. ये है preference of for traditional values. Features of nativism focus on local traditions and customs, use of native language and native style, rejections of foreign influence, strong senses of culture pride, emphasis on roots and heritage, often connected with the nativism and nationalism. Key scholars. Parents were not discuss colonialism and in identity. Genuine HP represent African culture realistically. Edward said, explain Western ये है misrepresentation of the East. Literary examples. Thing fall apart. ये है genuine HP decolonizing the mind. ये है ने we one thing ये season of the ये है migrations to the north Tayyip Salahi. These books highlights culture, identity and resistance. Simple nativism for native culture and traditions. It emerged against colonial rule and foreign influence. It promotes identity, culture, and heritage. It is an important ideas and in post-colonial literature. Important quotation: "A peoples without the knowledge of their past history, origin, and culture is like a tree without roots."